When you open the box for the E-Far Hammered Flatware set, everything is neatly packed and protected to keep the pieces from scratching. Inside, you will get a full 40-piece set that includes 8 dinner forks, 8 dinner spoons, 8 dinner knives, 8 teaspoons, and 8 salad forks. Each utensil has the same hammered square handled design, giving the whole set a clean, matching look right out of the box. Everything arrives polished, wrapped, and ready to place straight on your table for meals or guests. This Eve Far Hammered Flatware set is made from solid stainless steel, so the pieces stay straight and won't bend under normal daily use. The entire 40-piece set weighs 4.53 pounds, which gives each utensil a comfortable medium weight feel, sturdy in your hand but never too heavy. Customers often mention that the weight feels just right. The hammer texture is pressed directly into the steel, so it won't fade or wear off. The knives are balanced, the edges are smooth, and the set handles everyday meals without losing its shine.